my god. I swear I just pulled this out. But in reality, I just have 2. More clothes. Oh, so much clothes. Oh, I'm sweating again. Oh my god, like, do you see that mountain? Like, it's literally piling on itself. We have so many bags of clothes. There's a pile of clothes here. This is where I put my used clothes. Like, I just pile them on top of each other. Usually, you know how people do that to a chair? That's what I do on this bag because I have no chair. And then in here, I have all the clothes I also wear. And then more clothes. Oh my god. So much clothes. And then over here, I have more clothes. These are the clothes that I'll be getting rid of. So that is what we're doing today. And I think I'm just gonna start with a laundry. I need to put all of that stuff and that stuff into the laundry machine so I actually have fresh clothes to wear. So I bought this like super durable bag and I've been using it to store a lot of my old clothes, and let's see what I bought and apparently never wear. So off the bat we got like a million hangers. I need to treat my clothes better. These are my Zelly shirts. They don't look hot right now, but I do have them in 2 different colors. So I just have to pick one. I am no longer allowed to purchase items in multiple colors. So I think I'm just gonna pick the white one because I just love white. I think it goes with everything. So I'm gonna keep this one and I'm gonna get rid of this one. Another hanger. I love this dress. For a little bit, it stopped fitting my boobs. So I'm gonna have to try it on again. Otherwise, I think my boyfriend's sister might really like it. So I'm gonna hold on to this one. I need to treat my clothes better. These are like very beautiful and silky items and I'm so mean to them. Oh no. What have I done to you? The Coulemont jumpsuit in V-neck. Oh my god, seriously. I have so many nice clothes. I'm terrible. That's where you were. I was like literally in my closet the other day trying to find clothes for a date with Ty. And I was like, where's my Zelly? Where's my Brazilian shirt? They're all here. When I first started Aritzia, this was like one of the first things I bought and I wore it, like not kidding you, almost every shift. I thought it was my lucky shirt and it just made me feel good. Yes, I was also looking for my Langland. I still remember you, couldn't find you, loved you. Oh my cute! Oh my god, I never wore you. Love it. Okay, I'm gonna keep it. Material's not my favorite, a little bit rough on the skin, but we'll make it work. Love this dress. Okay, I seriously forget most things I have. This is like the Melville dress or something. So cute. Love this dress. It was like insanely popular when it first came out and it came out in like 20 different colors. It looks like something a fairy would wear and I'm all about that vibe. The last item. Hella freaking expensive. I think it retailed for like $250, $225 at least. Wool, so warm. Color, so beautiful. But like, I don't wear it. I'm just gonna have to be honest with myself. It sucks. I really liked it. Okay, so 2 piles. I think I did an okay job. So here we're just building onto the clothes that I am getting rid of. Gonna chuck those into a garbage bag soon. And then here are clothes that we'll be adding, oh my god, to this already full closet. So I think the next step is to get rid of clothes from this closet. Welcome to my closet. My very stuffed closet with more items soon to be added. So I have a problem. I used to have the Quincy in like several different colors and I already got rid of 2. So now I'm just like left with my black one. But the thing is, and it's so weird, I'm convinced black just doesn't look good on me. Yeah, that's a problem. I might keep it because it's nice to have a basic trench, you know? I need to wear my clothes. I loved seeing girls in the Kalo jacket because this thing makes you look like you got together. This thing looks like you belong in like a New York office on like the 50th floor. I can't get rid of it, but I need to start wearing it. I'm going to get rid of this though. This is the pellet jacket. I originally really liked it, but then I think I bought it in another color. LOL. Yeah, yeah, I gotta get rid of one. And like I said, black doesn't look great on me, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. Finally getting rid of something. Not sure how I feel about this one. I love that it's like a statement piece, but it's like, where would I wear you to? I just don't get enough use of it. Mixed feelings about this one. Yeah, obviously I ran out of hangers, so now I just like have the cheap plastic ones that I got for free from like a Foot Locker that went out of business a couple years ago. I feel like it looks a little bit too close to skin sometimes, so it makes me feel like self-conscious because I feel like from afar away people are like, she has no clothes on, but also where are her nipples, you know what I mean? I don't know, it's weird. Is that like a me thing? Because that's what I think about. Are you naked? And then I look at their nipples or where they would be and I'm like, no you're not, you're just wearing a really nude shirt. I think it's time. Also, I need to get rid of this hanger because it's ugly. Okay. In here, it's like mostly my dance stuff, so I'm gonna keep all of it because dance kind of took over my life. So I'm going to get rid of these leggings because they sit kind of weird on my body. It just makes my booty look weird. I know some girls that like wearing lower leggings because they like to show their abs. I'm cool with that. It's just I feel like I'd rather show my ass. This is like super cozy Tumblr girls kind of vibes. Yeah, I feel like this is something that you wear like when you're camping, like you're in the cabin and you're like next to a fireplace and you're just being really cute, but like I'm not cute like that. Nor do I really like camping. So yeah, I'm gonna get rid of it. Cute, but it's tight. Like by the armpits, holy crap. It feels so restrained, like it hurt. You hurt me. If I can just clear a couple of drawers, then I can like make this work. I can migrate a couple of things, but right now everything is just like way too full and I'm starting to hate myself a little bit. So I just want to make sure that I feel like I'm getting rid of clothes rather than keeping clothes. So we're gonna tackle this box. Okay, so this one I'm gonna get rid of. Super cute, I love the color. Just doesn't make sense in Vancouver because it rains so much. I can't really wear it during the winter because I'll just get wet. Wasn't very flattering, so I'm gonna get rid of that one. Love red, I'll keep that. This one has a lot of pilling, but I'm gonna keep it anyways. Oh my god, I swear I just pulled this out, but in reality I just have two. This is a turtleneck and this is a turtleneck dress, so it's different. And also they're different colors. This is Lillouette and this is Robe Red. I remember the colors, they're a little bit different. I'm sorry, I have to keep both. It's just so cute. Love this one. Gonna keep that one. Okay, I literally got rid of like two things in that basket. So now we're gonna tackle these drawers. The first drawer is like kind of miscellaneous. Like I have my cleanser brushes in here. I have a little bit of jewelry. And then I have like that. I have this dress and I love this dress. Even though I never wore it. But I don't wear it. So I think I'm gonna give it to my boyfriend's sister. With this dress too, I don't love it too much. It's kind of long for me, so I think I'll also just give it to my boyfriend's sister. I feel like I'm not this person anymore. I probably got this in like high school or something, so I should get rid of that. I'm gonna save that. Love my tennis skirts. I have in black and white. Realistically, I think I might just wear the white one, but let's just keep both. So I'll keep that. Have to get rid of these ones because I don't feel like I wear them very much, considering I have like, that was smooth, but like I have like these white ones already. Get rid of that. Okay, I feel like I'm doing well. I'm like actually getting rid of my dresser, mostly because like with dresser stuff I feel like that's where you hide all the stuff that you actually don't wear very often. So I'm actually like being good. Love this one. Oh my god, we love like a crop knit. It makes me like look like I have really big boobs too. Classic. Okay, I have two of the same thing. Okay, these are two of the same thing, except this one's from Aritzia and this one is from Forever 21. We miss Forever 21 kind of. Yeah, I think I might get rid of this one though because I already have that one. But this one will be like easier to wash because the other one I haven't washed and I have stains all over it because I don't know how to wash it. So maybe I'll keep both and like if I ruin one in the wash then that's fine. Okay. Almost the exact same things, except these are like a little bit more terry cloth shorts and these ones are like booty shorts. So I don't know. I think we keep both. They're different. Yes, that is everything for my wardrobe. So I feel like I did a pretty good job. Oh my god, like, do you see that mountain? Like, it's literally piling on itself. I try to move these to the closet or like even to my dresser or something because I really don't like having it there. Okay, so we're back to the closet. And hopefully this time I'm not too overwhelmed. But I have a game plan now, so what I think I'm gonna do is actually fix the camera because it's tilted. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick out all the stuff in here that can be folded and I'm gonna put that in the dresser. That way all the silky stuff, all the stuff that like I get on like a regular basis can be hung here. Okay, here we go. Remember when I said that I was gonna get rid of this in my like last closet declutter video? Yeah, I'm keeping it. I don't care. Lake Lively has it, so will I. So I'm gonna put this into the box later. This one, oh, love my salesman. Denim jacket, pretty basic. And then the jacket items. And alright, and we're back. Empty box. Let's fill her up. I'm sweating again. Okay, so now all this needs to be put in here. I like learned this method from my boyfriend where you just roll your clothes and apparently it makes more space. So I'm gonna do that. I made huge progress. I rolled all my clothes to put into my dresser. Obviously, some just didn't roll as well as others. So I'm gonna organize that and put it in there, and then I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm just gonna put them in garbage bags. So some changes. I took out some stuff that was in here and I decided to fold it instead because it was like overflowing, so I did that. Have this. Oh my god, I'm so short. Everything's all my hard work, everything fell. And now I also have this. And now I have my jeans, the last one. So everything is just hung there. And my closet is pretty much done. I feel like it looks pretty good. The door is nice and clean and white. In here, it's like, I'm not that proud of it because it's not like the neatest thing in the world, but I just have so much clothes. I feel like there's just like really not much I can do. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. But that's okay. All these clothes going into giant bags. Is this supposed to happen? Oh my god. We have so many bags of clothes. So I'm finally finished decluttering. So I got 6 bags of clothes and I still have 2 or 3 bags at my boyfriend's. So I literally got rid of half of my closet and I feel so much better now. I mean, not completely better because these clothes are still in front of me, but I will feel so much better soon. It really genuinely feels like I'm lighter. Thank you for watching this video. It was kind of everywhere. I got really overwhelmed. This was just something that has accumulated over years of having a shopping addiction, working at Aritzia. I feel so much better now that I am finally moving towards a more minimalistic life. I mean, not really because, you know, my drawer is still full and I still have a really big closet full of clothes, but I am still very much excited to start thinking more mindfully about how I shop and also what I'm keeping. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you click the like button and subscribe for more, and see you soon. I am so exhausted. I don't know how to film an outro right now. I am so tired. I'm gonna sleep so well tonight. So I just stuffed the garbage bags underneath my bed because I don't want to look at them because it is an eyesore.